My name is Praveen Singh and this is my project Deaflink. So while it starts, let me explain what it does. So it converts my speech input into the sign language and the sign language input of the deaf one into the speech output. This is a bridge between the deaf ones and the normal people like us, that how the deaf one can interact easily with us without any hesitation. So as it started now, we should come to our first program, which is speech to sign. Let me first connect my robotic hand and activate it to MQTT protocols. Here. It will take a while, like 20-30 seconds, and then it will activate. Here, it's activated now, and let's start. So now I will give some basic speech inputs to my mic. This is my Razer Ryzen 3 mic, and now let's start. Number 3. So here what basically happening is I am sending my voice input through my mic to the Raspberry Pi, and then it's sending that voice input to the Google speech recognition cloud, and then it converts that voice into a textual command which then it resends to the Raspberry Pi. Then through the MQTT protocols, my Raspberry Pi sends it to the Arduino Nano, and then Arduino Nano accordingly applies the servo motor commands for the specific small textual input it matches, like for number 2, number 3, index finger and thumb finger, etc. There is also some delay in this process because it's a long process of network connections, and also sometimes due to noise my mic does not recognize the voice, as you can see. So I hope you understand. So we are done here, and let's close it. So this was just the beginning of my main project, and now comes the main part of my project, which is taking the sign input and converting it to the speech output. Let's start.
So now let us come to our second segment of the project, sign recognition system. Here let's first run our code. It takes a little while to run because it's a heavy software which uses OpenCV and MediaPipe, which are the core of recognizing the hand by dividing them into several joints and observing the movements. With machine learning, it detects which sign is represented. Here our program is started, and like this. Here you can see, like this symbol is for 0 and it detecting 0. And this is for 2. This is for 1. This is for 4. Y. And here comes the main part, that this is then converted into speech by pressing a certain button which I have set it as
Y.
So here you can see the speaker is the output source and it speaks Y letter. Like for this, when I press the button S,
1, 2,
here it's P,
P, P.
Sometimes there is some misunderstanding because it's a prototype version. As you can see here, sometimes it fluctuates between P, Y and H because these are some similar symbols. Here
0, 4, 1.
So I hope you understood it very well, and